Hi, this is Shoripur, founder of Exenius. Today I am going to show you how you can set up text in your Nazmart script. Let's go to the admin panel. By the way, this is tenant admin panel. Search for text. Now you can see three things. One is text settings, another one is text class, another one is country text manage. Let's first go to text settings. In the text settings, you have now two options. One is zone-wise text system and then one is advanced text system. Zone-wise text system is basically the text you have set up for a particular country. If you go to this page, you can see you have options to add taxes for certain countries. By the way, you can add countries from this country manage page. You can add countries here. And for the advanced tax systems, it's also depend on the tax based on country, where it allow you for configure multiple things. For example, it allow you to consider the prices is inclusive or exclusive. Inclusive means whatever the product price is, you have included the price plus tax for a product. And for the exclusive part, that means you will add tax exclusively for all the product. And tax calculation based on customer account address or customer billings address. Similarly, shipping tax class will be based on what you want. It selected now shipping tax class is based on the cart item, right? Whatever is added in the cart, it will calculate tax based on that. Or you can fix a tax class which you want to. And there is another option which is tax class. This basically allow you to add multiple tax classes. Let's say we have added VAT. If we click on view, here you can add the name, country, and the postal code and the rate of taxes. It will be available for shipping or not. You can add postal code. This is, let's say, state tax. Priority is 1. That means it will always have the priority. If I click on update, it is updated. Now system will go through all the tax classes, then added tax for this certain country of this postal code at this rate, right? Let's get back to these settings, tax settings. So now you have seen another option which is round tax at subtotal level instead of rounding per line. That means whenever any user added something into the cart, they have multiple product in the cart, and system will be calculate the tax from the subtotal level, not individual item price. So let me click on update tax settings. Now I am going to add a new product. This is a product, this is a brand, this is a description, add a summary. Now click on next. Here we need to add a sale price. Here it is. You can now decide this product is taxable or not taxable. If yes, you can select tax, which tax you want to add. In my case, I am choosing VAT. This product taxes class is VAT. Now click on next. Set a SKU. You can set unit. You can set unit or measurement. You can set inventory variant. If you want to add any specification about product, you can add that. Let me add size. large. Let's click next, and you need to add an image. Let me quickly add an image. Click on next. Here you can select category, and if you want to show the delivery options to the product, click on next. Next, product here. The product is created. Now if you go to view this, whenever this stock is out, we haven't sent any stock, you can see the specifications. If anyone want to check out a product, let me check this one. This is item is added. If you go to checkout page, now the tax will be calculated. The tax will be calculated based on inclusive or exclusive you have set up in this tax module, right? Let's say I have added the product which we have added now. Let me quickly just add some stock. Quantity, 20. Next. Update it. Okay, let's click on view. Now we can add this into the cart. Let me click on add to cart, and let's reload this page. As you can see, now this tax will be calculated based on the tax we have added here. As long as, since we have select customer account address, and now we are not logged in, as soon as we add a country, select a country, it will recalculate the taxes based on the thing which we have added. So in our case, we have seen the tax is calculated on the Bangladesh. Here is the tax based on the input we have given in the tax settings. So this is basically how you can add tax in the product level using tax classes. Thank you so much for watching. I will be see you in the next video. I hope tax is clear for now. If you have any other question, you can reach out to our support. Our team will be happily help you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.